So good day, ma'am. I'm Krishna TAGAILO from 11th STEM B, and today I will discuss the results of our pre-test and post-test of our study of linguistic landscape. So let's begin by understanding the background of the study. A linguistic landscape study examines how languages appear in different public spaces, such as signs, advertisements, and labels. In terms of the general performance, the average score of participants was 51.03%, with the highest score being 18 and the lowest score is 5 out of 20. When it comes to knowledge of linguistic landscape concepts, our understanding was basic. We could identify language in public spaces but had limited knowledge of language diversity and dominance. Our analytical and interpretative skills were also quite limited. While we could recognize some signs and patterns, critical thinking skills were minimal during the pretest phase. Now let's move on to the post-test results. After completing the study, there was significant improvement. The post-test average increased to 91.32%, with the highest score being 20 out of 20. This represents an impressive 40.30 increase. This represents an impressive 40.30% increase from the pretest. Our knowledge of linguistic landscapes also improved. We developed a better understanding of how language policies and multilingual patterns shape public spaces. In terms of analytical and interpretative skills, we made fewer errors when analyzing linguistic signs. Our ability to identify patterns and understand cultural influences grew stronger. So let's compare the pre-test and post-test results more directly. So the overall scores, there was a significant increase in scores after the post-test with better performance in all sections. So the conceptual understanding. Our knowledge of language policies, diversity, and multilingual patterns improved remarkably. Analytical and critical thinking abilities. So before the study, we struggled with pattern recognition. But after the study, our ability to analyze linguistic signs became much sharper. So interpretation of results. So what do these improvements mean? The increase in scores and understanding indicates that our exposure to linguistic landscapes enhanced our knowledge and analytical abilities. So there are several factors contributed to these improvements. Effective teaching strategies, real-life examples, and interactive group discussions. However, there is still room for improvement. Deeper analysis and advanced teaching techniques could further enhance our understanding. Common trends and challenges. Our main area of improvement was a better understanding of multilingual signs. However, some challenges remain, particularly in deeper social linguistic analysis. So for the conclusion, scores increased to summarize, scores increased significantly after the post-test. Understanding the linguistic landscape enhances critical thinking. For future studies, we recommend to include more practical activities to reinforce concepts, as also continuously enhancing linguistic analysis skills. So thank you for listening, and that's all for today's video. Bye!